So, guys, when you get an opportunity, please do yourself a favor. You're not gonna regret this one. Date a kind partner, a supportive partner, a partner that will be there for you even when you have lost hope. So, Utirelo decided to show some love to Mpumelelo during this difficult moment. As we all know, Mpumelelo is currently trending. Let's get to start today. No, Rosa the Hasa Samani Pesangwasala. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Even though the Msalekos have not released any statement, the police in KwaZulu-Natal, they have confirmed that a docket has been opened after a man was unalive at one of the houses of the TV personality Musa Msaleko. It is alleged an army suspect entered the house at KwaMadlala location on the KZN South Coast last week, demanding to see one of the Msaleko's son. But on this other article, it said that the person wanted to see Musa Msalek, and Musa Msalek was not at home. He was at CPAC at Matele's house. So in Muzumbe, we have three houses, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makumalo, guys. So Matele stay at CPAC. I still decided to stay in the suburb. But anyway, guys, so Utirelo posted this beautiful picture ya Mpumelelo and herself. As you can see, it's a recently pictures, guys. Not long ago, they went to a vacation. So this is the picture that Utirelo posted in honor of a Valentine's coming. Post a picture with your partner. Guys, they look too good together, as you can see on this picture. One thing about Utirelo, guys, is she's gonna love her man no matter what. I tell her she's been there for Mpumela. I'm not gonna lie, she's that type of a girlfriend that she's not gonna run away just because her man has a problem right now. She believes a man that is gonna come out of this situation, everything's gonna be fine, you know. She's more like Malcolm. When I look at Torelo, guys, I feel like it's time for them sellers to do the right thing. If they have to pay the bride price, this is the right moment for them to do so. Maybe they're gonna do it on Return Only Zingani's Temple Season 3, you know. But the one thing about Torelo, guys, she's been there for her man. Even when her man is trending, she's not gonna come out and say, I'm gonna leave Mpumelelo. She once said something she mentioned on this other live. She went on to say that there are people that are saying that she should leave Mpumelelo, but they are going through similar situation. So many men out there are cheating. You are telling her to leave her man. Aibo Kanjani, because your man is doing the same thing just because her man is a public figure and she's famous. So you guys see as if you guys don't have a problem, you guys don't have similar problems as them. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. Utiresh is gonna be there for Indotaya. Okay, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.